Alright, hello, welcome. Today, iPhone XR unbox. Here we have the iPhone 6 next to it, nothing special there. But here we have a call to 911 by mistake. Wonderful. Yeah, so that was super interesting. Because the phone is mostly screen and touchscreen, you will touch things by mistake, and that's exactly what happened. So I think the biggest thing that everyone's going to miss is a home button. But it's still a touch home button. You still press where you do for the home button, and it works. I guess you're thinking to yourself, okay, so what if I want to double tap the home button to see the recent apps and delete them? So all you do is hold, and it brings that up. So it's the same thing, you just hold down there. So far I haven't hit any of these apps down here trying to hold down in the center of the screen here. As long as you hit in the center, you're okay. So that's the only thing really I could see that you would get annoyed with is the home button. But it is, I guess, still there. So you still can use that function. If you already have an app open, you just have to swipe from the bottom to go back to home. It's as simple as that. Yes, you will miss the home button, but it's short-lived. Once you figure out how to use these gesture controls, it's pretty easy. They come in basic colors now. I believe you can get yellow, red, black, and white, as well as the blue. I like the blue. If you're coming from the 6 or the 7, you're going to notice that the headphones now use a lightning jack. So either have some Bluetooth headphones or an 1/8 inch to lightning adapter. Ooh, a couple more things before we go. This neat little nifty bar at the bottom, you can swipe to go in between your apps. You swipe left for all of your notifications, and if you swipe from the top right down, see, I missed it. There you go, there's your control panel. Yeah, it's nice, but I am fumbling around with some of the controls. That's just what's going to happen for the first couple days, especially if you're switching over from something that had a home button on it. But you will get used to it. If this helps you out, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you want to. There'll be more content, and I try and get back to everyone. Leave me some comments, and we'll chat. All right, everyone, later on.